Hi everyone, this is Judith. I just finished the course, the programs, the YouTube Mastery and Monetization. I'm so happy that I enrolled in these courses. So yeah, I'm so excited to go out there and implement what I've learned. Especially, I'm so new in YouTube and I don't even know how to make videos go viral. I'm wondering why these people making videos going viral and how do they make it. So I was just, I thought I just can upload a video and then it would just go viral. So yeah, there are ways like proper keywords, consistency of the right keywords that you need to put on your like descriptions, thumbnails, and many more. And yeah, I learned a lot from this course. And thank you so much for sharing all your knowledge. Matt, you're the best. See you at the top.
I lost the key.